Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Amita's Creative Wings. I'm using this white poster because your things goes here and there, so you can paint freely. If they are going to mess up, it's fine. So whenever you are painting, it should be straight or it should be sideways. Don't break it into the middle. Try as much as you can. You can do this. Here I'm using pumpkin color. The same thing we did as we did earlier, right? We will do a different things here. This is really looking great. Using black color to make it stripes. Same kind of pattern, but little different. The color wise, they all are different. So let me show you. Using white color here. Tap tap tap. So now time to spread white color all over the painting. Look at this, how it was and how it is right now. These are just patterns that you can use as a like decor thing. You can just frame it, put on your walls anywhere, so this is going to be look great actually once you're done with it. I'm using a brush here and using green color, here I'm going to make leaves. Look at yourself. This is going to be a good piece.
In the same way, you can make lot of different patterns with different colors for more paintings. I hope you like this video guys, and thank you so much for your precious time. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit bell icon so you will notify whenever I will upload my video.